Hey lovely people, welcome back to my That Glam Girl Krishna's channel. Today I'm gonna to create this silver half cut crease makeup look. So keep on watching this video and yeah, without wasting any more time, let's just start this video. Firstly, I'm going to use Cetafil Sun SPF 15 plus light gel very high protection moisturizer. So primer today I am going to use this. It's Renne Bollywood filter primer. Whenever you using silicone based primer like this one, you have to kind of pressing in your skin little bit. Next I am going to use a concealer and I'll be using Myglamm Super Serum Concealer shade medium. Now moving on to eyeshadow, I'll be using Mars palette. What I'm gonna do first is I'll take this color here which is close to my skin and I will apply it in my crease well. I'll first take this light pink shade from the palette and I'll apply it to my crease and I'll take a little bit color, dust the excess and then start applying it. Next up I am taking these two color here, adding it in my crease. I want to create something like a half cut crease today. So now I will take some of this color here. This is half amazing texture. If you like cream, they're so soft and so buttery. So I am taking some of this silver color added. Next for eyebrows, I'll be using Maybeline brow pencil shade brown. Then I drop out of shape, then I brush them upwards and fill out all the gaps in my eyebrows. Next I am going to use Maybelline New York Fit Me Hyper Curl Mascara. Next for a foundation, today I'll be using Maybelline New York foundation shade medium 220. And I'll using brush to apply a foundation. Always you actually don't need to use a lot of this foundation. It just gives the really good coverage, guys. So just one pump is more than enough to cover your entire face. Next I am going to use a concealer and I'll be using this one. This is Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer shade medium. I am going to use a little bit of concealer in all the acne, scars, pimple, dark areas of my face. Basically all these areas, and I am going to use a blending brush. Next for a bronzer, I am going to use a Sugar Cosmetic 3-in-1 palette. Now just set the base first. I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I am first going to set the areas around my eyes. So with powder brush, I am going to take a little bit of powder, dust it and start setting my base lightly with it. Alright, moving on to blush. I'll be using my most favorite Korean blush, shade Peachy Pink. I am going to take a little bit of blush and start applying it my cheeks, little bit my nose as well. Now next to highlighter my face, I'll be using the Swiss Beauty highlighter and I'm just going to highlight all the high points on my face. Now next for a lip, I'll be using Popxo lipstick shade brown, one of my favorite nude shade.
I'm dreaming. taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see.
एंड या दैट्स इट, दिस इज़ द फाइनल मेकअप लुक. आप लोगों को ये लुक कैसा लगा? लिव योर थॉट्स इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो गाइज. आई लव इट टू वेंट इंटरेक्ट विथ मी. आई डेफिनेटली हियर यू आउट. सो एनी रिक्वेस्ट, एनी सजेशन दैट यू हैव, दैट लेट मी नो in the comment section below. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share with your friends and family. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new YouTube video in my channel. Follow me for more updates on my Instagram. Bye bye.